Let's check all of the accessories that comes with Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So first of all, I will flip this box upside down. There's two protective stickers that we need to cut. So we can also, I think, pull on them. Let's try that as well. First, then the second. So now we can finally open the box. This one is empty. And now let's check everything that's in it. So we have this cardboard, which probably includes all of the instructions and other stuff. There's a cable. I'm gonna check that in a second. It opens from two sides, and here's the instructions. We're not interested in that. Let's check that cable. So that cable is USB-C to standard wireless charger for your watch. Then we have watch itself. We can simply take it out. And let's check everything that's underneath. There's the quick start instructions and the leather strap. In this case, a black one. So the back looks like a leather, but this thing right here feels like not leather. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.